Okay, so this is for PA3. So in here I created the texture manager, the image manager, the sprite manager, the sprite box manager, and the sprite batch manager, and they all are derived classes of the manager class, which I created. Each of the nodes are derived from the D-Link class, and they're all the managers are use a singleton pattern, as they're created inside only, create and only once. And then so once I create all the managers, I load the texture, and right now I'm just using aliens, and then I create the images, and then I create the sprites, and then create the sprite boxes, create the sprite batch, and right now I have it so that the boxes appear on top of the aliens, and then I attach each of the sprites that I just created to the sprite batch for the aliens in the boxes. And then here I define the sprites that I'm going to be updating in my update, which I do, and then it does their pattern. So they do their own pattern thing for each of the aliens. And then in sprite batch manager it renders the sprites based on their order, based on the batch order. So right now it's boxes on top of the aliens, and as you can see, the aliens are behind the sprite boxes. And obviously I can change this if I go back up and change it back so that the aliens appear in front of the sprite boxes. And right now you can see the aliens do appear in front of the sprite boxes. So next steps I think are to change to create a D-Link and to create an M-Link and a C-Link for the container and the manager classes. Right now I'm just using D-Link, and then go back and refactor the code so that there are no news done outside of the constructor in some of the nodes classes, and then go on to the timer.